Stomp, stomp, little elephant. Stomp, stomp, big and strong. Elephant walks all day long. Swing your trunk, wave it high. Flap your ears, oh my, oh my. Boom, boom, stomp the ground. Shake the trees all around.
Winds are calling, dreams come true. Boats and ships so bold and free, drifting across the endless sea. Sails unfurl, the waves they ride, guided by the stars. Let's stomp, stomp, stomp like a dinosaur. Shake the ground and hear them roar. Big and small, they love to play. Let's join the dinos and dance all day. Stomp your feet, give a roar. Swing your tail, let's dance some more. Jump and twirl, clap your hands. Dancing with dinos is the best plan. Vroom vroom, a little car. Vroom vroom, little car. Vroom vroom, little car. Zooming fast, near and far. Round the corner, watch it go. Beep beep, whoa whoa whoa. Speed up fast, slow down slow. Stop at red, then off we go. Left and right, turn the wheel. Racing fun, what a thrill. Shiny, see with my eyes, big and bright. Colors, shapes, and flashing lights. I hear with my ears, soft or loud. Music, voices in a crowd. Touch, taste, hear, smell, and see. 5 cool senses just for me. Use them all, every day. Learning in a fun new way. Say please when you need a hand. Say thank you, it's always grand. Use excuse me when you pass. Good manners make friendships last. Chew your food, don't be loud. Don't talk with your mouth all proud. Sit up straight, be polite. Table manners feel so right. The school bus comes, beep, beep, beep. Get your bag, don't fall asleep. Hop on board, find a seat. Wave to friends, oh what a treat. Luna Rabbit hops with glee in the moonlight. She's free to be. She twirls and spins with sparkling eyes. Luna's magical night is a sweet surprise. Shake your hands, wiggle your toes. Hop like a bunny, touch your nose. Spin around, don't fall down. Let's all dance like a silly clown.